Welcome to the next topic, anatomy and physiology. Let's start. 1. Important anatomical terminologies. Term definition. Anatomy, study of the structure of body parts. Physiology, study of the function of body parts. Anterior, ventral, front of the body. Posterior, dorsal, back of the body. Superior, toward the head/upper part. Inferior, away from the head/lower part. Medial, toward the midline of the body. Lateral, away from the midline. Proximal, closer to the point of origin. Distal, farther from the point of origin. Superficial, toward or on the body surface. Deep, away from the surface/internal. 2. Composition and function of blood. Composition. Plasma, 55% water, proteins, albumin, fibrinogen, hormones, nutrients. Formed elements, 45%. Red blood cells, RBCs, carry oxygen. White blood cells, WBCs, fight infection. Platelets help in clotting. Functions. Transport of gases, nutrients, hormones. Regulation of pH and body temperature. Protection against disease and blood loss. 3. Digestive system/alimentary canal. Main parts. Mouth, mechanical digestion, saliva. Esophagus transports food to stomach. Stomach, protein digestion begins. Small intestine, nutrient absorption. Large intestine, water absorption, waste formation. Rectum/anus, waste elimination. Accessory organs. Liver produces bile. Pancreas, enzymes and insulin. Gallbladder stores bile. 4. Circulatory system. Main parts. Heart pumps blood. Blood vessels. Arteries carry blood away from heart. Veins carry blood to the heart. Capillaries, exchange of gases/nutrients. Functions. Transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones. Remove waste. Maintain blood pressure and temperature. 5. Endocrine system. Main glands and hormones. Pituitary, growth hormone, ADH. Thyroid, thyroxine, metabolism. Adrenal, adrenaline, cortisol. Pancreas, insulin, glucagon. Ovaries/testes, estrogen, testosterone. Functions. Regulates metabolism, growth, stress response, reproduction. 6. Urinary system. Main parts. Kidneys filter blood, produce urine. Ureters carry urine to bladder. Bladder stores urine. Urethra excretes urine. Functions. Excretion of waste. Water and electrolyte balance. Blood pressure regulation. 7. Respiratory system. Main parts. Nasal cavity, filters air. Pharynx/larynx, air passage. Trachea, air transport. Bronchi/bronchioles, air passage to lungs. Lungs and alveoli, gas exchange. Functions. Oxygen intake. Carbon dioxide removal. Regulation of blood pH. MCQs. 1. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Venules. Answer, A. 2. Which of the following is known as the master gland? A. Thyroid. B. Adrenal. C. Pancreas. D. Pituitary. Answer, D. 3. Which organ stores bile? A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Stomach. D. Pancreas. Answer, B. 4. What is the primary function of red blood cells? A. Clotting. B. Hormone production. C. Oxygen transport. D. Fight infection. Answer, C. 5. What part of the digestive system absorbs most nutrients? A. Large intestine. B. Stomach. C. Small intestine. D. Esophagus. Answer, C. 6. Which hormone controls blood sugar levels? A. Cortisol. B. Insulin. C. Estrogen. D. Thyroxine. Answer, B. 7. The diaphragm is used in which body function? A. Circulation. B. Digestion. C. Breathing. D. Urination. Answer, C. 8. Which blood cells help in clotting? A. WBCs. B. RBCs. C. Plasma. D. Platelets. Answer, D. 9. Which part of the brain is responsible for coordination? A. Medulla. B. Cerebrum. C. Cerebellum. D. Thalamus. Answer, C. 10. What is the fluid part of blood called? A. Plasma. B. Platelets. C. Hemoglobin. D. Lymph. Answer, A. 11. What is the function of the kidneys? A. Produce insulin. B. Pump blood. C. Filter blood. D. Aid digestion. Answer, C. 12. Which organ is part of both the digestive and endocrine systems? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Gallbladder. D. Spleen. Answer, B. 13. What part of the respiratory system contains the vocal cords? A. Pharynx. B. Larynx. C. Trachea. D. Bronchi. Answer, B. 14. What system transports oxygen and nutrients? A. Endocrine. B. Urinary. C. Circulatory. D. Nervous. Answer, C. 15. Which term means toward the front of the body? A. Dorsal. B. Inferior. C. Posterior. D. Anterior. Answer, D. 16. Which gland regulates metabolism? A. Pituitary. B. Thyroid. C. Adrenal. D. Pancreas. Answer, B. 17. Which part of the digestive system stores waste before elimination? A. Small intestine. B. Esophagus. C. Rectum. D. Liver. Answer, C. 18. What type of blood cell fights infection? A. Platelet. B. RBC. C. WBC. D. Plasma. Answer, C. 19. Which structure allows air to pass from the trachea into the lungs? A. Alveoli. B. Larynx. C. Bronchi. D. Diaphragm. Answer, C. 20. What is the main function of the large intestine? A. Protein digestion. B. Absorb nutrients. C. Absorb water. D. Produce bile. Answer, C. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.